Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Ronan Films. Today we are going to be coding a Discord.js event handler. You will need a Discord.js event handler when you are creating a bot in Discord.js. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so first things that you will want to do is you'll want to go and download Node.js from their website. The link will be in the description below. Once you've downloaded Node.js, jump over into Visual Studio Code or any code editor. I am going to be using Visual Studio Code for this example. Okay, so in Visual Studio Code, type npm space init -y, hit return. That will install Node.js. Okie doke, so you also want to install Discord.js. So to install Discord.js, just run npm space I discord.js and it will install. There we go. So we've installed Discord.js and Node.js, and you'll see we've got these lovely packages right here. That's awesome. Now you're going to want to create two files. So right click and hit new file. This first one we're going to call index.js. Second one we're going to call config.json. Okay, now in our index.js we're going to type some stuff, of course. And first things first, we're going to type const brackets space client space equals require discord.js and close it off. So in this line right here we have defined what client is, and client is we're grabbing it from discord.js. Now underneath that you're going to want to do const client lowercase c and do equals new client. Make sure it's a capital C. We're going to do curly brackets and your brace brackets, and we're going to do space intense. And then we're going to do our square brackets. We're going to go guilds, like that. Really simple and easy. Drop down below and you're going to do client.config equals wire, and we're going to this and do ./config.json. Close it off. Now we're getting your bot token from config.json. Okay, so once that's done, you're going to do client.login, your curly brackets, type client.config.token, because that's what we're grabbing. We're grabbing the token, and then type .then, and we're going to do an arrow function and another curly brackets, and in there we're going to type console.log. We'll use our backticks. Okay, so once you've done your backticks, type successfully logged in as, and we're going to go curly brackets, and we're going to go client.user.username, and that's going to grab the username as of your bot. We'll just close it off like that, and just there we're going to do .catch and our curly brackets, two of them, and we're going to do error, another arrow function, and console.log, more curly brackets, and error, and close it off. Okay, now we're going to want to go and store some information into the config.json. So to do that, put down your curly brackets like that, your right brace and your left brace, and you're going to type token, and here is where the token is going to go. Now, how do we get the token? Well, you're going to want to head over to discord.com and their applications. Let's head over there. Okie doke guys, so we are over here at the Discord applications. Now you're going to want to create your bot, which is quite simple. You will hit new application and give your bot a name, any name, and it is all really simple like that. For this example we are going to be using our koi bot, which is written in Discord.js, of course. Now you're going to want to click a bunch of these because we're going to be going through them during our videos. Make sure they're all clicked on. And then you'll just want to hit this reset token and copy the token that's given. Once that's done, jump back over to Visual Studio Code and we'll do some more. Let's do that. Okay, so we're back here in our Config.json. You've pasted your token in. What next? So, that's like about it, literally all it. But first, you'll want to invite your bot to your Discord. How are you going to do that? Well, you're going to want to grab your bot's ID. So guys, you'll want to jump right back over to your Discord. So guys, once you're over here in general information, you're going to want to scroll down and hit this application ID and click copy. Now you will want to jump over into Discord. So guys, we're over here in our Discord server. So if you want to invite your bot to a server to test it out, which is what you're going to have to do, you're going to want to copy down this link. Now this link will be in the description of the YouTube video. Make sure you go check it out. Now you're going to want to take out this My Bot ID right here and paste in your actual bot's ID. And then once you send that or anything, you have access to Discord bot. You can pick your application you want. We're going to choose our bot development because that's where we are. And we're going to hit authorize and we are a human, of course. And now notice here it is offline, same as all these other bots. So how do we get it online? Well, once you've invited it to a server, go right back over to Visual Studio. Here we are. And we'll just clear this. And type node space and a stop. And then hit return. This will run. So if you guys jump back over to Discord, you're going to notice that our bot is now online. Now we have not built up any commands for this bot, but we can do that in later videos. As for now, thank you guys so much for watching. Ronan Films, out.